When you walk into the World Bank Treasury Building, you will be surrounded by the very best in automation technology. Everything you need for a successful and productive experience is controlled through Crestron. Crestron's automated systems allow for full control over lights, shades, scheduling, projectors, TVs, and more. Thanks to Fusion, the Lotus Notes schedule is displayed perfectly on the touchscreens outside of each meeting room. After all, finding the correct meeting is one of the first steps to a successful meeting. Meetings are more productive and effective thanks to the large open windows and flexible table layouts. Thanks to digital media, rooms can be reconfigured for different groups or breakout sessions in a fraction of the time. By just plugging a digital media cable into the floor box, that location has instant input of both analog and digital content. Crestron touch panels are installed within every room. When it's time to present, with a touch of a button, the room not only automatically adjusts lights and shades for ideal viewing, but even directs the content to projectors, screens, or all of them at the same time. Technicians and support staff can take care of any issue without even entering the room. Even language translation is supported in the conference rooms at the World Bank. The World Bank Cafe is designed with productivity in mind. The cafe can be used as additional meeting space or breakout sessions from other rooms. All the rooms are tied together with digital media, so a breakout group can be sent to the main room. The cafe even supports plenty of ad hoc meetings by just getting a coffee and plugging in a laptop, because it's integrated by design, thanks to Crestron.